Welcome to GoChat's channel. Today we bring you a do-it-yourself video on to set up emergency numbers in your mobile phone. Putting password patterns on our phones to difficult for someone else has become the new crave for security reasons. Unfortunately, this also has the disadvantage of making your contacts inaccessible in cases of emergency, phone loss, sickness, accident, or even death. However, as a solution to this, provision has been made on most mobile phones for emergency numbers which could be dialed without password. Here we share with you knowledge on how to set up your emergency numbers. 1. When your phone is locked, it normally shows enter password. Under it, you will see emergency. Click on the emergency, then you will see emergency information. 2. Click on the emergency information 2 times. You will see a pencil icon and your extreme right, click on it to edit. 3. Enter the contacts you want to save as emergency. You can put as many contacts as possible, but I advise you to save numbers of active people who know you very well, family, friend. Now these contacts you have saved can be called even when your phone is locked without entering your password. To call a number under emergency, click on emergency call, and the numbers saved there will come up. You can dial these numbers without unlocking the phone. Please share this video and subscribe to this channel for more of videos like this.